Hey everyone, this is Matt. I'm here with Shults Lincoln with your Tuesday tip of the week. One thing I see a lot this time of the year, especially when we get snow and different types of weather like that, is wiper blades freezing to the windshield. Obviously our natural reaction is to want to go ahead and put the wipers on and let them unfreeze themselves, but I really would encourage you to go ahead, clean them off yourselves for a couple different reasons. If they're not completely thawed out and clean, they can stick to the windshield and it can actually continue to run the wiper motor and burn it out on you. It can also, worst case scenarios, it can freeze that insert to the actual windshield and then it detaches from the arm and now you need a whole windshield wiper blade and possibly an arm. So the best thing you can possibly do, and we all have our remote start, so that definitely helps, but before you do jump in, just pull these up, make sure we clean them off, get as much of that snow and ice off of there as possible, and that will not only help the wiper blades stay in better shape for a longer period of time, but it'll also prevent them from freezing to the windshield. Thank you very much, and that's this week's Tuesday tip.